Tonight on the Web Clinic, a Maid agency that's been invisible for 538 days, and a Google profile verification loop that's driving the business owner to the edge.
Imagine running a business with more than 10 years history and a physical office, but to the digital CIA, also known as Google, you don't exist. Our patient, a specialized Maid agency, was trapped in a 5 weeks verification loop. Every time they submitted proof, the doors slammed shut. Today, I'm giving you the exact surgical manual we used to perform a one-take video verification. We are breaking through the wall. The symptoms were severe. This agency matches families with help and even offers a one-to-one replacement warranty if a maid leaves within 3 months. They are a high-trust business, but online, they were a ghost. They had previously spent a huge amount on social media videos that didn't work because their foundation was invisible. Now, they wanted to run Google Ads, but they couldn't get past the border patrol. The diagnosis? Mislabeled identity. In a medical lab, if you put patient A's name on patient B's blood sample, the lab will process it, but the results will be a disaster. On modern Android phones, you often have 5, 6 or maybe 7 Gmail accounts stored at once. The verification was accidentally processed for the wrong email account. The client thought they were healthy, but the actual business profile was still unverified and safe. Google requires a raw, unfiltered stream of truth. No cuts, no edits. Follow this surgical manual exactly. Number 1. The handshake GPS. Ensure your GPS location is turned on and logged onto your physical office. 2. The context. Start outside. Film the street sign and the surrounding area to prove you're on the map. 3. The approach. Maintain a continuous shot while walking towards your building's signboard. 4. The keys to the kingdom. Physically unlock the office door with your key or security code. This is the DNA test that proves ownership. 5. The interior anatomy. Walk through the office and show the surroundings. 6. The pulse. Sit at your desk and open your laptop to show active work. We guided the agency through these steps, ensuring every detail was caught in one single taking. This is how you prove to the algorithm that you are breathing. But the verification was only the final stage. When we first met this patient, their digital spine was shattered. They had a 1.5-year-old site that wasn't even appearing on Google. The old frame, their logo was confusing. Their website was a generic corporate site that only talked about the company, not the client's pain point. The reconstruction. We performed a total rebranding exercise. We moved them to a new optimized domain and we proceeded from there. The new lungs. We rewrote the content to speak to their client's pain point and used SEO keywords so bots could finally crawl and breathe. Dumping money into Google Ads on their old site would have been like injecting adrenaline into a patient with a shattered spine. The system would have simply collapsed under the pressure. The doctor's report is clear. Don't try to force a high-intensity workout on a patient with a shattered spine. If your digital foundation is broken, your marketing will simply collapse under the pressure. If your business is feeling like a digital ghost, it's time for an autopsy. I'll see you in the next case.